Welcome to Jobs Unleashed. In this video, I'll cover an overview of the platform focusing on the employer or admin usership side. In order to log into your admin account, you can go to employers.jobsunleashed.com or you can go to our website homepage at jobsunleashed.com and click Find Staff. To log into your admin account, enter your email address followed by your password. If you ever forget your password, you can always click Change Password and it will send a verification code to your email address. Once you've signed in, you'll come to your dashboard. Just as a note, in order to do this demo, I've logged into a mock admin account as to not share any hospital's personal information from a live account. Any new connections will be at the top with an orange badge. If a connected candidate has any questions about a shift or a job, they can send you a message via the in-app messenger here on the right. The second icon on your navigation bar is your positions list. Here you can see all of your active and archived positions. There are several ways to filter positions here at the top. As a private network HQ administrator, you'll be able to see all of the various practices listed in your private network and can filter by practice as well. Here are some active open positions. The button in the top right-hand corner of each card gives you several options. For example, let's view or edit this card. Here's an example of an open vet tech shift. You can always open an active or an archive position, edit or tweak some details such as shift date and time, and you can also select different badges to notify different groups of talent. I'll explain more about badging here in a minute. You can either post it as an entirely new position, which will notify your vet techs of a new shift, or if you simply left out a detail like an incentive or a shift requirement, you can always go edit the description of the shift and republish. Republishing a post will not send a new notification to your staff. Let's go ahead and create a new position. First, you'll enter a title for the post. I generally note the position in which I'm posting for, in this case, a vet tech position, and the date. Below, you'll select some badges. Badges indicate the group of talent the post will go to. If you select public, the post will only go to public vet tech users on the platform. This is a great way to reach out to any public relief on the system and hopefully start a conversation about becoming a relief worker or even a full-time employee. If you select the private badge, the post will only go to your internal private network of employees who are signed up as vet techs. We will discuss other badge options here in a minute. Then you select the name of the practice in which you're posting for. You then select the type of position. In this case, we're posting an open shift to internal employees in our private network, so we'll select relief. All of your private network employees will have a Whiskerbot search pre-made for relief work in your private network. Then we'll select the category, which indicates the group that will receive the notification about the shift. This feature ensures that only the appropriate group is notified. Simply put, ER doctors will not receive notifications about vet tech positions. Only vet techs will receive vet tech notifications. The last step is entering any pertinent details of the shift in the description. Here you might reiterate the date and time of the shift along with any needed requirements, such as oncology experience required, and any additional incentives. When a practice is new to the platform, I always put a little note in there about clicking the Connect Me button so that staff understand how to notify admin if they're interested in the shift. When someone clicks Connect Me, it automatically sends an in-app message to the candidate prompting them to message them with any questions they may have about the shift. Once all of the shift information is entered, click Publish. Now I'll show you how to quickly duplicate a position card. This is a great way to quickly duplicate, tweak, and publish a position, similar to using a templated approach so that you don't have to rewrite entire cards. For example, this is a nice feature when you have multiple open vet tech shifts on different dates. You simply duplicate the post, edit the date and time, and click Publish. Once a shift is covered, a position is filled, or the date of the post has expired, you can easily archive the position card. Don't worry, you can always bring it back to life at any time if you need. The next icon on your navigation bar is the list of practices in your private network. If a new practice joins your private network, HQ admin users can always add the practice by clicking the orange bottom right-hand corner button. Next, we'll look at our admin directory. Here you'll be able to see all of the HQ admin and practice admin in the private network. HQ admin users can see all of the practices in a private network, all of the internal private network employees, and can add and remove users in the network. Practice admin are generally department leads in a hospital that can post and view positions as well as see and respond to connections, but cannot add or remove any users. Because we're signed in as an HQ admin user, we can add a new admin user account. Let's say Jane is our newly promoted vet tech lead and she needs to be able to post open vet tech positions. In this circumstance, we probably want to issue her a practice admin account. If she's already onboarded as a vet tech, she will now have a double-sided account and can log in as an employee or as an administrator. The icon with the lock next to it is a private staff directory. Again, this is only visible to the HQ admin users so that they can easily add, remove, or edit private users. You can always remove a private user by clicking the trash can next to their name. If you'd like to edit the private user account, you click the pen icon next to their name. Now we'll show you how to onboard a new private user. All you need in order to onboard a new staff member or private user is their name, email address, phone number if you have it, and their primary role at the practice. Once you've selected the practice that the user is associated with, click Save. Your new user will now receive a welcome email from the Jobs Unleashed system with a direct link to log into their account. Now we'll talk more about badging. Here you can have as many badges as you'd like. This is a great feature for organizing tiers of talent you'd like to reach out to with open positions. Here are some examples of badges we've developed. The Gold Star badge, for example, could be your top tier relief talent. Folks who have been screened, completed paperwork, and are onboarded as 1099 or W-2 employees at the practice and have a good reputation at the hospital. Pre-vetted badge folks may be relief talent that have been interviewed and have completed necessary paperwork for onboarding, but they have not yet worked in the hospital. If you decide after they work a few shifts that you really like them, you can easily reallocate them to a Gold Star badge. The education badge could indicate veterinary students who have not yet graduated but may be looking for internship or externship opportunities. This is a great way to build relationships and keep student bodies on your radar for recruiting purposes when they graduate. You can also badge recruiting agencies you work with so you can easily notify them when you're in need of fresh relief. Here you can edit your badges. If you'd like to remove one entirely, click the trash can. You can quickly create a new badge by clicking here. To badge a new user, click the Badge New User button. All you need to badge an individual is their email address. Once you've badged them, the system will send an invitation email to the badged individual so that they can log on and start receiving badge notifications. The last tab in your navigation bar is your settings. Here you can change your password, your notification preferences, you can add a secondary email address, and edit your personal information. Going back to our positions list, the last feature I'd like to show you is our new bulletin board feature. This feature allows you to quickly and easily send important messages or updates to staff. This could be anything from pizza party in the staff lounge this Friday to new COVID protocol updates. You can post to the bulletin board just as you would a regular shift or position. The only difference is you select bulletin board for the position type. In this instance, we're letting our ER doctors know that there are updated sanitation guidelines for exam rooms. I've dropped a hyperlink into the description for this example. You can always link any URL you'd like here by clicking Insert and then Link, just as you would in an email. Some hospitals insert a link to their scheduler or a JobVite link when posting for a position. Once you've published the bulletin board post, all of your ER doctors, depending on their notification preferences, will get an email and a text message about the update. If you'd like to check out additional short training videos, please visit our website at jobsunleashed.com/resources or click the Resources tab on the homepage navigation bar. Thanks for watching.